So we're here in Central Park, and we always talk about how do we engage the public with different types of robotics, and this is an example that's been going on for, it wasn't initially robots, mechanical, but model boats for the last 101 years in this pond here in Central Park. And so right now people can come on up and rent these. Anybody can see all these kids. Kids are doing it, old folks are doing it, and as our boys just demonstrated, there's a lot of banging into boats. People like to seem to bang into one another. So these are pretty resilient craft. The only motors on here are for the rudder and for the sails. So pretty simple design, but folks can rent them for 11 bucks for half an hour. And it's a great introduction to basic robotics and basic sort of remote control stuff. So pretty cool thing. You don't need something fancy, although to make one of these boats yourself, it would take a while. We were talking to one guy that said it took him about a year to make his, more elaborate than these, but nevertheless a fun way people can just plop on down, play with robotics, and get some experience here in New York City.